and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on cellular respiration. In our last lesson, we studied the steps involved in the process of artificial resuscitation. In this unit, we have studied the digestive and breathing systems, along with the circulatory system, which you will learn more about later. These systems exist to provide the cells of the body with what they require for cellular respiration. Today, we will start to study cellular respiration, and we will learn about the cell's source of fuel and energy. Students, let us start right away by defining cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a set of metabolic reactions and processes that take place in the cells of organisms to convert energy from nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, and then release waste products. The term metabolic or metabolism describes a set of chemical reactions that occur in living organisms to maintain life. The reactions involved in respiration are catabolic, which means they break down large chemicals into smaller ones. Respiration is one of the ways a cell gains useful energy to fuel cellular reactions. Sugar, amino acids, and fatty acids are nutrients that are commonly used by both plant and animal cells in respiration. Oxygen is used as an oxidizing agent. There are two forms of respiration that we will learn about: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Students, please write out a definition of aerobic respiration. You may have come across this term before. If not, that is all right. Please write down the best definition you can.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen. During the process of aerobic cellular respiration, glucose reacts with oxygen to release energy that can be used by the cell. As we have learned, glucose is a sugar that is produced as a result of digestion. In this reaction, carbon dioxide and water are produced as waste products. The reaction can be stated as the following formula. Glucose plus oxygen produces carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Aerobic respiration takes place in the mitochondria within the cell. Mitochondria are one of the cell's organelles. An organelle is a unit within the cell that serves a specific function for the cell. Mitochondria are small, rod-shaped organelles that are found in almost all cells. They have a folded inner membrane that provides a large surface area for aerobic respiration to occur. All cells require energy to carry out the necessary reactions of life. Respiration provides the cells with this energy. The process of respiration releases energy from the food we eat so that the cells can use it. The energy is stored in the form of a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. This is an adenosine molecule with 3 phosphate groups attached to it. ATP is the single energy-providing and energy-storing molecule for all the processes in living cells. As the cell requires energy during a chemical reaction, the 3rd phosphate bond in the molecule is broken in a hydrolysis reaction, resulting in adenosine diphosphate, or ADP, a free inorganic phosphate group, and is the essential energy that is needed in cells. Anaerobic respiration is the process of breaking down food to release energy without oxygen. For instance, during exercise, when the muscle's cells become short of oxygen, the blood is unable to supply it fast enough. In such cases, muscle cells obtain energy from glucose through anaerobic respiration. This type of respiration produces less ATP than aerobic respiration. It also produces lactic acid as a waste product instead of carbon dioxide. We will look at aerobic and anaerobic reactions in greater detail later on in this unit. Students, let us do an activity to review what we have just learned. Define the following reactions: cellular respiration, metabolism, and catabolism.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, everyone. How did you do? Let us go over the definitions together. The term cellular respiration describes a set of metabolic reactions and processes that take place in an organism's cells to convert energy from nutrients to ATP and then release waste products. The term metabolism describes a set of chemical reactions that happen in living organisms to maintain life. The term catabolism describes a set of reactions that break down large chemicals into smaller ones. If you answered them all correctly, great work. We have time for one last activity, students. Describe the place where aerobic respiration occurs in the cell.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello, students. If you said that aerobic respiration occurs in the mitochondria of the cell, then you are correct. Well done. This brings us to the end of our lesson. Today, we learned about cellular respiration. We discussed the concept of cellular energy and fuel. We also described the terms aerobic, anaerobic, metabolism, and catabolism. Until next lesson, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.